Now you can see that this is actually this particular month of September, and you can see I have earnings of over $200, $400, $500, $700, $200, $500 right in this particular month. Now this is basically showing you that from this particular website, I'm actually being paid about $200 to $500 every single day. Now, this is exactly the same opportunity I want to share with you guys in this particular video today, because most of us most probably believe that you cannot make as much as $500 in a day working in the online space. But then I'm actually here to debunk that particular mindset you guys have, because there are certain websites and there are certain things you can do in the online space today that would help you start making a lot of money in the online space. Now imagine if you actually earn $100 every single day. Now that actually means for you that in that particular month you've earned about $3,000 for yourself. Now convert $3,000 to your local currency and tell me how much it is going to be in the comment section below. Yes, I want to see it. Tell me how much $3,000 currently is in your own currency. Let me know down below. In this particular video today, guys, I'm going to share with you guys 3 of the best affiliate marketing websites that will give you the opportunity to earn above $200 on a daily basis, and you can actually start making cool cash for yourself in the online space. Hi guys, it's Franklin Manuel, and here on my channel I share with you guys those strategies that will help you start up and scale your own online business. And if this is what you're thinking about, then what you want to basically do right now is to sit right back and watch this particular video to the very end, because I'm going to be exposing a couple of insights and secrets that would help you to scale your earnings using your smartphone, your laptop, and access to the internet. Now, if you've ever heard of affiliate marketing before now, or you've been thinking about affiliate marketing and how you can actually get started, or you've started and you have not been making sales, then there's a very big problem, because you have been getting it all wrong. I'm going to correct that in this particular video today, because I'm going to share 3 of the best affiliate marketing websites that would help you to start making cool money for yourself. Now, 3 of them are actually very good. I can get started with anyone, depending on your location and also depending on your goals. Now, with all of this I'm going to share with you guys right now, I'm going to be able to explain to you guys why I feel these are the best websites, and most importantly, I will also show you how much I've been able to earn from every of these websites, so that you can see that yes, I'm not just stating that these websites are good, but then I have also been able to make money from on here, and this means that I have very super insights on what works and how you can actually go about it. Now, looking right here, the very first website on my screen right now is called Partnerstack.com. Now, this is an affiliate marketing website, and they house a lot of SaaS products. Now, when you basically come here, you're going to be seeing a couple of SaaS products and every of the deal that they basically have for you. Now, looking at my screen here, you can see Welcome Franklin, and coming down here, you can see I've actually joined a couple of programs, but this one right here is the Elemental Affiliate Program, and the program is already ended as at this time, and I got over 3,425 clicks. I was able to refer 65 people. I earned for myself 447 USD, and currently I got paid 197.5 USD, and the balance is going to be paid after they've done their review on the next payments. After they've done their review on the remaining balance that has been made. Now, on this particular platform, you're going to be seeing that they have a marketplace, and when you come over to the marketplace right in here, you are going to be seeing a lot of SaaS products. You're going to be seeing a lot of different products you can actually jump on right now, and with selling them, you start making money for yourself. That is what affiliate marketing simply is. You sell products, you make money. And you can see this is a SaaS product Recruitee, and this one is going to pay you $20 of every sale in year 1. This is Breezy HR. These people are going to earn, you can earn $20. And the next guys right here is Breezy HR. You can earn 20% on all subscription sales for the next 12 months. Now you can scroll down and you see a couple of other products that are available on here. In this particular page, Brand 24, earn 20% recurring commission, Market Hire, and $500 per new paying customer. And you keep on going on and on and on. Melio, and $200 for the first time payment of a new customer. And when you keep on scrolling down, you're going to be seeing all of the SaaS products that you basically are aware of, and they are going to be showing you the series of offers that they basically have. So let's say, for example, we actually want to pick up this one, and you can even see Fiverr right here. It says we offer different commission, $15 to $150. Depending on what category your buyers purchases from, you will qualify for a CPA commission once your buyer purchases on Fiverr for the very first time. Now, what I can simply do is to click on Apply to Network. And once I click on Apply to Network right here, I can basically go through, this particular, survey, right? Answer it, and once I'm done, input my necessary details that is needed right here as requested, and then I can actually get approved to join the, program on here, and I can actually start selling using my unique affiliate link. And coming over to the withdrawal section right here, you can actually see that these are a couple of withdrawals I've made for myself right here from this particular platform, and they have 3 methods of withdrawals. One, you can actually choose direct deposit, you can choose PayPal, or you can also choose Stripe. Now, for you, especially when you don't have access to PayPal or Stripe, I'll just simply say that you can just choose direct deposit. This is where you can supply them with your USD bank details to your Payoneer, and then you basically would get all of your earnings straight over to your Payoneer USD account, as simple as ABC. Okay. Now, this is it for this particular first website. Now, the second website here is ClickBank, and you can see on ClickBank here, I've been able to generate a couple of dollars on a daily basis, $200, $400, $700, and all. And the first question you're going to ask here is, Franklin, how are you even able to access clickbank.com in this particular day and age? Now, we basically already know that ClickBank is not available to Nigerians, and it's a lot of people in different parts of Africa. And the crazy part of it all is that these guys actually have a very tight security, meaning that you cannot even use a VPN to access or have your account with ClickBank. Now, I actually was able to secure a method which I used to get my own ClickBank account for over 3 years now. I've been using this particular method, and you can see on my screen that my ClickBank account is actually fully set up and ready for business. Now, if you actually want to get access to your own ClickBank account, I'm going to be leaving a link down there in the description of this particular video for you to access that particular ClickBank process. It's going to be a very short mini program you can actually watch through and see how I got my own ClickBank account, and you can also get yours too. But then, guys, beyond that, we're going to come over to the Affiliate Marketplace, and on the Affiliate Marketplace right in here, you are basically going to see that there are going to be a couple of products, and you can see here, let's click on top offers. Okay, and once we click on top offers right here, you are going to basically see that we have a couple of top offers. This is Live Pure, right? This is Alpiline, this is Icaria Juice, this is Red Boost, this is Alpha Tonic. And all you want to simply do right here, let's take, for example, want to sell Red Boost supplement. You can see the gravity score 251. You can also see the average conversion, meaning that if you sell one of these products, you're going to be getting around $124 for yourself. Now, I'm going to go ahead right now, click on this particular link to promote this particular product, insert my unique nickname, and once I actually insert it, it's going to share with me a hop link. That hop link is going to be your unique affiliate link you can use to sell that product, and with any sale coming via that particular product, you are going to be able to get your money down to your wallet. Now, ClickBank itself also will pay you via Payoneer. Yes, I've actually had ClickBank for years now, and they would always pay me via my Payoneer account. Now, the next website right here is Sales.co. Now, this particular website is one of those websites that I basically would advise anybody in any part of the world to jump on right now, especially if you're in Africa and you actually don't want to go through the hassle of, getting your international payments down to your local bank account. So coming over here, you can actually see that on this particular platform, I've been able to earn for myself over $1,360. You can see it on my screen. The previous week, I earned over $750. And this week, I'm actually earning about $530. Now, all I want to simply do right here is to come over here on this particular platform. I'll click on the marketplace, go over to the marketplace. I will see a couple of products. Now, I also have a particular product right in here, which you can actually start promoting. I'm going to be doing a next video where I will show you guys how to promote this particular product using a copy and paste method. So make sure you actually follow up with this particular video and the next one. And the only way to follow up is to make sure you subscribe to this particular channel right now and you turn on the bell notification so that when I release that video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've actually dropped that particular video. So when I come over here, you can see my product right here, High Profit Affiliate Program. And the price here is $38, and it is actually coming with a commission of 50%. Now, it basically means that if you actually promote this program, you're going to be earning for yourself $19. Okay, so we're going to click on promote, and once we click on promote right here, you're going to see this particular page, which is the affiliate page. Now, I've actually been able to share a couple of resources that will help you to boost your sale. Okay, so all of the resources you need, from videos to testimonials to a couple of copies and all of those. You can basically get that guide here and use it to sell the product. Now, you want to copy up your unique affiliate link, and once you copy up your unique affiliate link right in here, you can go over to shorten the link using qtrl.co, right? qtrl.co, shorten that particular link, and then go ahead and start marketing this particular product. With each of the sale you get to make, you are going to be getting $19. Now, when you come over here to pay out, you're going to basically see that you can actually get to withdraw your money down into your local bank account. All you need to do is to put in your local bank account. For example, if you're in Nigeria, you can put in your Nigeria bank account, and once you actually place withdrawal from your available balance, you would get your money straight up in less than 3 minutes right down there into your bank account. Okay, and these 3 websites are free and easy for you to simply access and start marketing and start making money for yourself. So I don't know why you're still waiting right now, because the opportunity is already on your table, and it is the best time for you to actually get started with this and start making extra side income income for yourself. Now, if you actually have more questions on consent, let me know in the comment section below. I will answer all of your questions and also share with you more insight on how to actually get started. I also have a WhatsApp community where I share a series of ideas and discussions on how to scale your online business. Do well to use the link in the description to access my WhatsApp community. And with this, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.